Hello, welcome to J.A.K audio YouTube channel. I go by Azelik and today I'm hosting this video. I will explain a bit of my story, how I got into designing audio gear and how it all started. Well, in the mid-90s and early 2000 I was very interested in electronic music. So I started buying gear and trying to produce my first tracks. In the mid 2000s, I started releasing some tracks, original tracks, and remixes through a label. After that, well, while releasing tracks, I also wanted to improve my sound. And I started thinking, what can I add to my setup to improve my sound. At that time, summing mixers were becoming more and more popular, so I started learning electronics by myself and tweaking circuits, opening boxes, and studying a bit of electronics. So I got started building circuits. The more I got into the circuits, I got better at understanding how things worked. Then I also started studying electronics, a 2-year course in a public institute. After finishing my studies, I got approached by a friend who wanted to add some SSL gear to his setup. So I thought, well, I can build you one. I know the circuits. So I started building the circuits, grabbing all the information necessary to build such complex circuit. And finally, after months of prototyping, measuring, listening text, the 9K242 was born. That was the exact moment I realized this was no longer a hobby. After that, it always happens that the second product is always the most difficult. It's like an artist releasing a second album. It's the most difficult. So I was also approached by a friend that, well, after asking there and there, what could I build? So I thought, why not build a distortion circuit or something about dynamics? I say, okay, that sounds interesting. So I started searching circuits, and I found the level lock and also a soft clipper. So I managed to build those circuits around the fader amplifier. After a lot of hard work, the Stagger was born. It's a limiter, it's a diode clipper, and all built around a fader amplifier with boost. Okay, so this is all. This is everything for today, and I let you with a new demo of the Stagger. Thank you for watching.